Stephen from Elite Carpet Cleaning.
I'm Stephen Diehm. We're the franchise owners of Elite Carpet Cleaning in Cairns North Queensland. Our services include carpet, upholstery cleaning and tile and grout cleaning. I've been with Elite for just over 7 years now. I moved to Cairns in 2003 to play Australian rules football, and the president at the time was the owner of the Elite franchise, and just after helping him out part-time for a while, he got a little bit old, and we agreed to purchase the franchise off him. They offer a good training package. I walked in knowing a little bit from previous work, but the full training gets you right up to speed with what needs to occur day to day. We get a lot of good support from head office down in Brisbane, and anytime we need something, they're always on the other end of the phone or shipping goods up as fast as possible. The benefits of owning the franchise is pretty much working for yourself with the help from head office down south, but it gives you the freedom to do things that need to be done. You don't have to work 24/7, and you can take time off when it's required and when it's needed. To own a franchise, you basically just need to be an honest, reliable person who's going to turn up and do their job. Friendliness always helps, and hard working definitely helps. It's certainly a fun job. The flexibility of hours is excellent. Working for yourself is excellent. You get to spend more quality time with your family and your loved ones, and even sneak out for a game of golf every now and then. And if you're considering joining the Elite team, feel free to contact head office. It's a great opportunity.